Is it strictly legal, private executive accounting business? I bet not. You seem very eager to take this meeting with me, so I'm quite sure that Peter Talbot's not the only rich man to avail himself of your services. But by all means, leave. I'm sure there's any number of magazines would love to publish a story about the man who hides the dirty secrets of Wall Street. The press is so base these days.
Hello, is this the Post?
Wait! I work with Peter. I set up a shell corporation, we steal a little bit of his paycheck and buy a little slush fund. He can do whatever he wants with it.
And if he were using this slush fund to binge on his favourite bad habit, where do you suppose we might find